Welcome to the BudgetEase Broadcast. I'm George Dise. Today we are going to talk about why tech companies, SaaS founders, small businesses, and even nonprofits should never settle for a good enough chart of accounts. Because here's the thing, setting up a chart of accounts or COA sounds simple, but if you've ever tried to scale a business, talk to investors, or even just understand where your money is going, you already know it's not. Most small business owners and startup founders start with a basic template in QuickBooks or their accounting software. And at first it works, but then your business grows, your services evolve, maybe you add IT security, compliance, subscriptions, grants, or donor funding, and suddenly your financials don't match your story anymore. We recently worked with a tech client who felt exactly that. His chart of accounts technically worked, but in investor meetings, it felt a little off. It didn't reflect how he talked about SaaS revenue, cybersecurity, investments, or even growth. So we partnered with him to redesign his COA into something clean, professional, and most importantly, investor ready. Then we went back an entire year and recategorized every single transaction. Sounds intense, but honestly, this is what great outsourced bookkeeping services do. And yes, there was more. His QuickBooks hadn't been updated with adjusting journal entries for 2 years, so his books didn't even match his tax returns. Not ideal, especially when you're talking to investors. But we clean that up using our QuickBooks catch-up process because messy books don't have to stay messy. So here's your takeaway. If you're a small business, nonprofit, or tech company looking for a bookkeeper, look for someone who doesn't just record transactions. You want a partner who understands financial reporting, investor readiness, compliance, and how to structure a chart of accounts that actually grows with you. If your business has evolved, but your books haven't, you're not alone and you're not stuck. At BudgetEase, we specialize in turning messy, overwhelming accounting projects into clear, trustworthy financial systems, so you can walk into meetings confident, not confused. Quick recap. Your chart of accounts matters, investor-ready financials matter, and the right bookkeeping service can change everything. Thanks for joining us for the BudgetEase Broadcast. I hope you found this information helpful, and we look forward to having you join us at the next one.